In this video, you'll learn how to access ABB MyLearning from your computer. MyLearning is the primary platform to use for accessing training content or registering for learning events. Open an internet browser and type in the URL mylearning.abb.com. This will take you to the site's homepage. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen. Provide your MyABB login details and click Login. Please note that you can watch the video on how to set up your MyABB account if you don't have one. You will now be signed in to your account on MyLearning. You're now free to explore MyLearning.